Okay, so you can see my chat is currently invisible, no text at all. Right. So if I do this, it's still opening. And sometimes it happens when you're kiting mobs, like from, let's say mobs are in the bottom left here. So you're like, I like attacking the mobs, like doing my, let's say, auto attacks. And sometimes I hit the little box here that is like very hard to do. But sometimes you hit it. It's a lot easier to repeat when after you get the unique engage message. There seems to be some kind of fade out timer before you can repeat. But okay, see, I hide the chat and okay, kiting mobs, boom,